It's a 2015 Audi A6. This A6 is crafted with precision, appointed luxuriously, and built with performance in mind. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Motor Trend states the gorgeous wood and leather color combinations again demonstrate Audi's current dominance in interior design. When you drive an Audi, the design and performance make sure you stand out in a crowd. Take it for a test drive today.
You're not just a number at Cowles Nissan. You're a family member. We work hard to make owning a new vehicle easy, fun, and affordable. We're conveniently located at 14777 Jefferson Davis Highway in Woodbridge.